This message is for you if you're a beginner entrepreneur or a small business owner. I want to let you know that I am now building websites to help entrepreneurs, small business owners, even affiliates get started, so that you don't need any kind of tech background, you don't need any kind of experience. And if you're anything like I was when I first got started, dude, I barely know how to turn on a computer, let alone build a website or build a link tree or make a funnel or to do email automations or to do any type of automations for anything. I had no clue what I was doing. But it's been a good while, and I have learned how to do all these things for either free or for very low cost. And what I'm offering is to help those who were like myself, who are having a hard time or feel like they can't get this done for less than $500, because that was what I found when I tried to get a website made for the first time. Everything was starting out at $500. So what I'm doing right now is I'm offering to build a nice, clean, functional, mobile-friendly, beginner-friendly, one-page website, starting out at $100. I'm going to be doing 5 different tiers. It's going to go from $100 for a simple to $1,000, which will be like a complete, full branded, automated, just everything, So as you see, I am rebranding. I am using my name, my name is Jason. I told you guys this before, which means healer. So I'm changing my name of everything you're going to see to the healer's voice. So this is my way to help the world in the best way that I can from some things that I have learned over my journey. So if you're interested in this, go ahead and, shoot me a DM, put a comment in the comments and say that you're interested, because I'm getting ready to get some links set up so that you can just click them and you can fill out your form and I can get started. And for a one-page website, which, like I said, it's only going to be $100, I can get that done for you in 2 to 3 days, depending on what you're looking for. And as long as you fill out this information, I have some forms and stuff like that to get you started already. But I don't have all the links that I can put on here just yet, but I'll have them in the next few days. So follow, like, and share if you know anybody that might need these services, man. Because what I'm doing, I'm trying to help people fulfill their purpose. That's my purpose, to help you get started. I hope you have a blessed day, and I'll see y'all in just a little bit, maybe a couple hours, for the verse of the day. Be blessed. I'll see y'all later.